ready?
Oh, I'm ready, dude. Woo! What's up, everybody? I'm John. And on today's episode of Cars and Cameras, it's time to get our Honda 550 motorcycle engine running for our Cozy Coupe build. This thing is from the early to mid 1970s, and the original carburetors are trash. So our sponsor, GoPowersports.com, hooked us up with 4 24mm Mikuni flat slide carburetors that should work for this. We have some old rusty headers that we need to adapt. We have some coils that are in bad shape. We have our work cut out for us. But this engine redlines at 9,500 RPM from the factory.
Maybe 96.
Or 96, a lot. And it makes about 38 horsepower, which is going to be a ton for something that weighs as little as this project. So let's make sure it has oil, slap some carbs on it, and see if we can get it cranked over.
Oh, of course, buddy.
Alright, so I have most of the exhaust studs in the engine. Ike is working on the engine wiring. We pulled these really cool exhaust pipes out of Ike's Junkyard off of an old 550 Honda. So I'm going to chop them where we have about a foot of pipe coming out of the engine, and then we'll figure out what to do with those later on. So, like I mentioned in the beginning of today's video, we are using 4 24mm flat slide carburetors from GoPowersports.com. Probably a little bit too much carburetor for this application, but they all fit in line, and we just happen to have all of them already on us. So it's just a matter of getting them to all fit. Yeah, that's gonna be so cool. Yes. It's coming together, man. It's just perfect. Oh yeah, it is good.
That's so good, dude.
Yeah, you know, I said this earlier, but I feel like I wish the body was just 10% larger in every dimension. Or a little bit more. Honestly, it looks like the engine is too big, and I know people are going to say there's no such thing.
Hey, no, it's not a problem. We can take this off and put a 6.5 horse on it.
No, thank you. I mean, they're fun and all, but, you know.
I mean, it sounds like you're complaining, buddy.
No, definitely not. So, yeah, no, it looks cool. It looks really cool. I think I'm just nitpicking.
Well, okay. Yes, it would be nice if we had the a bigger Cozy Coupe, because I think it would be absolutely perfect if it was a little bit bigger, which would make the engine look a little smaller. So, okay, I agree with you, but
it's still pretty freaking cool.
Yeah, I mean, how can you? I'm smiling bigger than the Cozy Coupe is.
Right? Yeah. I'm over here working on fuel line for the carburetors. Ike's over there building up a battery box for us.
So this is our tiny little battery box. I've got a high side here which will fit up against the frame. Get it welded up, and the battery will fit down in this tray.
Perfect.
So you fine with this right here?
Yeah. You might be wondering why we're not putting the battery underneath the body. Well, it turns out the more we play around with seating, we're going to be able to sit lower than we originally thought, and room is pretty tight under there.
I'd like to put a flat bar underneath it to help strengthen it up a little bit more, but it's good enough to hold a battery for the moment.
And the fuel line is done. A little sketchy, but it looks cool. So what do you have going on?
I just robbed a starter solenoid off of a bike over there.
Sounds like it works.
I'm gonna say it works. That is amazing.
It's getting late, so we're kicking it into high gear, rigging everything up. We just want to hear it fire up. Nothing says rigging like coat hanger.
For testing purposes. See what happens. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready, dude. Woo! Nice. We bought new plugs. Do you want to put them in now, or?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna check for spark. Trying to wire it up electrically and keeping your eyes open, dude.
Yep.
All right. First, I'm gonna spin it over, and then I'm gonna hook up the positive. You ready?
Yep. I don't see anything.
When you're ready.
I'm ready.
All right. You're good.
Ah, yeah, there's spark. There's spark.
Okay. So, I'm gonna turn on the chokes.
Okay. All four of them?
Yeah. So it's gonna run at a very high idle.
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Ether. Seemed like it was right there.
Which plug was firing?
This one was firing.
That one and the other one.
Yep.
All right.
So the inner two
well,
seem to be
how
firing.
about you can stick your finger in here and crack them open?
Okay. Sounds safe.
Yeah. So this one
Yep.
and
The inner two.
Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Oh. Oh. That is awesome.
All right.
It's not that loud.
No, it's not.
Dude, the 750 is a screamer. This is straight pipe, and it's pretty tame.
Yeah.
We can leave it straight piped. Dude, that is wicked. Put it
All right.
there. I had another thumb. Well, I do
There
have
we go.
two thumbs, but
2 thumbs up.
there it is. All right, so we still have some work ahead of us, but amazing victory right now.
A runner, a roller, a runner.
Now we
Next-
just need a stopper.
Next time it'll be a goer and stopper. I
Ooh,
imagine.
I hope so. Can't wait to hear it at RPM.
What do you mean at RPM? It was at RPM.
No, you know what I mean.
Oh, you mean that RPM?
No, I mean up there. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like
$9 grand. Or 9,500, whatever. I'm not that picky.
yeah. According to the tack on that motorcycle over there, it's like 9,600.
That is going to be awesome.
Yeah.
So 4 carburetors. We need to sync them. We need to make sure the jetting is right once we get new coils and the new plugs in it. And yeah, we put some 2-into-1s on that puppy, dude. Get that exhaust flowing better. We need to make it stop.
Yep.
We need throttle pedal, clutch pedal,
Yeah.
or hand controls, whatever we're going to do. We need a seat, but like we are getting close. I feel like we're in the home stretch, dude. You know what? It has been so long, probably since the Rat Rod Wagon, every single morning, right when we get here, and every single night, right before we leave, each time one of us just like looks at it and giggles.
Yeah.
And that hasn't happened in a long time. So, yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as we are, because I'm having fun. And we haven't even got it running yet.
Yeah. What do you mean
Well,
we
okay,
haven't gotten it?
haven't
We
got
got
it
it
going
running.
yet.
They just saw it running.
I haven't got it going yet.
Okay, there we go.
Anyway, all that to say that I think this project is going very, very well, and I'm just genuinely very excited.
Brings a smile to my face, buddy.
Yeah, exactly. Me too. So for future updates, subscribe to Cars and Cameras and leave a thumbs up if you're enjoying this project, guys. And check us out in between videos on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews, and support the channel and our future projects by picking up a hoodie or a hat or a t-shirt or a sticker at cars-cameras.com. Do you have any announcements you need to make?
Well, first off, I'd like to plug my own channel. Check me out at Isaac. It'll be fine.
Sounds good.
But I also want to say thank y'all for letting me do the YouTube full time now. Couldn't do it without you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, that's right. Ike has 2 more days of work as a mechanic, and after that, it's full-time YouTube. So
yeah,
I never thought this day would come, dude. It's like, it's amazing, you know, to be able to do this. So, I mean, thank you guys for your support throughout the years, and yeah. Who would have thought that this would turn into something that we could both do?
And it's fun.
I know, exactly.
and it is a job, but it's hard to say it's a job when it's fun.
Right.
Some days it's a job, so I guess it's still a job.
Yeah, absolutely right there.
Anyhow, that's it, guys.
Anyway, guys, stay tuned on Cars and Cameras. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.